These are solutions to Math 222 quiz 11. So number 1, the center is -3, 1. B is 3, A is 4. A squared equals B squared plus C squared. So 16 equals 9 plus C squared. C squared is 7. C is radical 7. So the center is at -3, 1. I go 3 units left and right, -6, 1 and 0, 1. I go 4 up and down. That'll give me vertex at -3, 5 and -3, -3. And foci are -3, 1 plus radical 7 and -3, 1 minus radical 7. Number 2, if I go halfway between 3, 1 and 7, 1, I get 5, 1, which is the center. So the center is at 5, 1. So that tells me automatically I'm going to have x minus 5 squared over something plus y minus 1 squared over something. Okay, and we're told that C is 2. That's the distance from the center to either focus. So C is 2. A is 3, distance from vertex to the center. So A is 3. A squared equals B squared plus C squared. 9 equals B squared plus 4. B squared equals 5. So B is radical 5. So x squared, x minus 5 squared over 9 plus y minus 1 squared over 5 equals 1. Number 3, the center is -1, 2. A is 4. B is 3. Okay, A squared plus B squared equals C squared for the hyperbola. That gives me C squared equals 16 plus 9 or 25. So C is 5. And let's see, y is positive, x is negative. So I know it's up and down. So from the center, I go 1, 2, 3, 4 up and 1, 2, 3, 4 down, which will mean the vertices are -1, 6 and -1, -2. C is 5, so I go 5 up and 5 down. So my foci are -1, 7 and -1, -3. I go 3 units to the left and right, draw myself a box, draw the diagonals, and there's my hyperbola. The slope is plus or minus 4/3. So equation of the asymptotes are y minus y1, y minus 2 equals plus or minus 4/3 x plus 1. And number 4, hyperbola, foci are -3, 3, -3, -1. If I go halfway between them, that's -3, 1. That's going to be the center. Center is -3, 1. And that also tells me, since -3 is fixed, it's going to be the vertical type of hyperbola once again. Okay, and A is 1, C is 2. So distance from vertex to the center is 1. Distance from the focus of the center is 2. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So B is going to be radical 3. 1 plus B squared equals 4. B squared is 3. B equals radical 3. So my equation is y minus 1 squared over 1 minus x plus 3 squared over 3 is equal to 1. So that was the quiz 11 for Math 222.